welcome guys. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a simple but amazing flyer using Pixellab. Okay, to get started with our design, we'll start by adding our background or by creating our background. Okay, so to get started, I'll come down to my control menu here, this particular one here. I'll click on this icon, this particular icon here, click on it. Good. So I'll come to color, this color, click on it, and then this is color, and then this is gradient. This is color, this is gradient. So I'll click on this gradient. So basically I can scroll using this particular place to check for the gradient of my choice. Okay, so great. So let's search for anyone. So these are several gradients that you can use for your design. Okay, so if I click this one, this is how it is, right? Good. So let me just locate one and then use this. I'll use this particular one here, this particular gradient here. So I'll click on it. Good. This is it. After clicking on it, I'll come to this icon here, this plus icon here. Click on the icon. Yeah, I'll click on the icon, and then I have this here. So I want to change the color from white and black to my own particular color. So what I'll do is to change the color. So I'll come to this icon here, this particular one here, click on it. Good. After clicking on it, this particular one, that's black color, I'll click on this icon here, this color, to change the color. Click on it and have this. Okay, good. So this is the color you can actually use this to get the color, but I have my color code, so I want to input my color code. What I'll do is come to this pen icon here, this one here, click on it. Good. So I have this here. So to insert my color, I'll click on this, then delete it. Yeah, so I'll type my color. So the color code is B10E. So this is the color code. After inputting it, click on this icon here. Yeah, so this is it. So you click OK, then you click OK from here. Okay, so this is the upper part, that's the upper color. Good. So I'll click on this other one, this white, change the color. Click on this, then click on this color here, click on it. Good. So same thing, I'll come to this pen icon to change my color. Click on this, and then click this. You can delete all these and then type the color, which is F64 D00. Yeah, so once you're done, don't forget you click on this icon, this good icon here, and click on, yeah, click on OK. So good, you have this here. So I want to do a little adjustment to this. I'll bring this up a little, this one like this, up a little bit like this. Yeah, then I'll take this one and bring it down a little bit like this, and bring this one a little bit like this. Yeah, I just want to adjust this a little bit. Yeah, so once I'm done, click on OK, and then you have your background here. Great. So click on this. Good. So the next thing I'll do is to import my image. I'll go to this plus icon here, click on it, and then click on from gallery. So this is the image. Click on this, double click on it to open it. Yeah, so I'll just crop it from here, crop this like this, crop it to this end. I think this is okay. I can also crop this like this, and then once I'm done, I'll click on this good icon. Good, great. So I'll drag this like this, then I'll bring it down a little bit like this. I think is okay. So good. So I'll start by typing my text now. So to do that, I want to use my grid lines. I'll click on this this grade here, click on this grade. So I'll click on this part, click this, then click this to delete. So I'll click on this icon to delete one, delete this, click on this, and then delete this. Sorry, I need it, so I'll leave it. Click on this particular one, bring it here. I want to use it for my alignment. Okay, click this, bring it here, then click this and bring it here like this. Think this is okay like this. Good. So once I'm done, I'll click this, then I'll start adding my text. To add my text, I'll click on this icon here, click this, right click text. So this is it, bring it down like this, then click on edit. So I want to type the heading, which is affiliates. Okay, so I'll start by typing this affiliate, then I'll click this. So good. I'll go to font, this is font, click on font. Okay, so I'll click on my font. So basically you have the font in the Google Drive, so you just download it and add it to your Pixellab. Okay, so good. So the name of the font is Achiever Expanded. So I'll just search for it, using this icon. So this is it here, Achiever Expanded. So I use this black like this, then I'll click OK. So this is it here. Click on, bring it here, and then click on my zoom tab, zoom this like this so that you get everything. Then once you zoom, if you want to edit, you have to click on this back like this. Okay, so good. Let me just zoom back like this, and then once you want to edit, click on this. Good. So I'll go to size. I want to increase the size of, click on size of the text, then I'll move it like this, or click on this icon like this. Click on size, then reduce it a little bit. Let me just leave it like this. So I would love to change the color, so I'll go to color. Yeah, so this is the color I use, this particular one here. Click on it, and then I'll click on this plus icon so that if you want to get the color, you know how to input the color code already. So click on this pen icon. So this is the color code F8B016. Sorry, so this is the color code F8B01C. F8B01C. So this is the color code. Then you click on OK. Click on OK. So good, this is the color code. So the next thing I'll do here is to duplicate this. So I'll scroll to this place and then click on copy, bring this down. So I'll click on edit, then I'll change this to Mac. Yeah, so you can click on this to make it uppercase, and then click this. Yeah, so let me lock my text. Click on this to lock, click on this icon here, then click on this icon. Okay, so good, so great. I'll move this here and then drag this, click on this and drag this like this. Yeah, move it here like this, there you drag it. So good, you can go to your position and then you click this. Yeah, so bring it down a little. So once you are done, you click on this and then you go to color, click on color, and then you change this to white. So I can just scroll to look for white. So this is white. I'll click on this, yeah, and then click this. Good, so great. I'll go back and copy this, click on copy, then bring this down a little bit, click on edit, delete this, and I'll type ETING, make it caps, click on OK. So I have this here, right? So good. So I'll reduce this, I'll go to size, then I'll reduce it from this particular place. Let me see how it is. Okay, it's fitted now. Then click on this, go to position, reduce this and bring it down a little bit. Click good. So great, click on this icon, click on this to go back to the normal size. So I have this here, right? So great. So next thing I'll do is click on my plus icon, click on shapes, and then I'll bring this down a little bit, click on my shape, then bring this down a little bit, bring it here, then drag this from this side. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. It's okay like this. And then click this, or just change the color basically. So this is the color, click on this. This is the color, this yellow is the color. So great. So you remember the color code, click this, and then this is the color code F8B01C, F8B01C, and then you click on OK, click on OK, so click on this. So great. So the next thing I'll do is to click on my layer. This is my layer, click on this, and then I'll click on this rectangle and bring it down beneath the lady. Click this, so I have this like this here. Great. So the next thing I'll do here is to, yeah, let me just increase this a little bit. I want to increase the text a little bit. Yeah, so I want to increase the text a little bit. Click on this, unlock this, click this, then click size. Yeah, so yeah, I want to increase this. Click on this, go to size, then you add this like this. Yeah, click this too, click on position, bring it down a little bit. So you go to size, you can increase the size. Yeah, I think it's kind of okay like this. Great. So the next thing is to click on this, click on shape, then bring this here, take it here a little, then drag this like this. Yeah, so I have this here. So the next thing I'll do is to change the color. I'll change it to black. So come to this place, click this black, click this, then you can actually duplicate this. Okay, so click on it and then go to this text here, click on this text and click copy, then bring it here, drag it like this, then make sure you align this to this, click on the back one. Let me take this one back a little bit. So I'll click on position and then I'll move this like this, it's okay. Then click on this one and then I'll move it to this particular place like this. Good. So I'll change the color and I'm going to color, click on color, okay, enable, and then I'll change it to white. So I have this here like this. So I want to make it centralized, so I'll click on position, reduce this, and then bring it down like this. I think it's okay like this. So great. So I'll click on my text, on my plus icon, click on text, bring this down a little bit. So I'll click on text, click on edit, and then you change this text to HTTPS. Yeah, then this slash double slash bit.ly slash info, then you click on OK. So great. So you go to color, click on color, then you change it to this color here. Click on this, good, click this, then you scroll to font, click on font, then click my font. So the font I use for this is called Metropolis. Yeah, this is it. Then I use medium. So click on this. This is the font, click on this, then click on OK. So this is the font I used. So I'll reduce the size, click on size, then reduce it. Let me bring this down a little bit. Let me make this bold a little bit. Go to font, click on this, then scroll to Metropolis, then make this one bold like this. Yeah, I think it's okay like this, and then go to size and increase the size at least once. So click this, go to position, and then move this up a little bit. So great. So I'll click on my icon, click from gallery. So I want to import this, click this. Okay, so good, click this, good. Then reduce this a little. So I want to place it here. Leave it like this. Then come to this icon here to change the color of the element. Click this, then screw, then click on color. So you click on color, click on enable, then you screw down. I'll make it white. Change the color to white. Click on this, good, to activate it. So great. Bring this down a little bit. Good. Click on this text and then click on this text. Click on copy. Okay, good. So I'll copy it and bring it here. Go to color. Then change the color to white. Click this. Then click edit. Delete this. Then you can type access free. Yeah. Click on this to make it all caps. Then click on OK. So you can bring this here like this. And then you scroll down to align. Click on this, align, click this, align. So this is to centralize. Click on it, then click OK. So good. Scroll to size, then you increase the size a little bit. Yeah, and then you bring it to the middle like this. Click on OK. So you have this here. Click on this to add my rectangle. Click on shape, and then reduce this. Move it here. Then move this like this. Leave it here. Then let's see. Let me try this other yellow. I think this yellow is quite good. So let me click on this plus icon. Click on this plus icon. So this is the color code for this one, this particular color, FEC20C. FEC20C. I'll click on OK. Click on OK. So click this, good. I think I love this other yellow. I love the way it is. So I'll just edit all the color. Click on affiliate. Click on this. Then click on color. So this is the yellow. Click on this. This is the color code, please. FEC20C. FEC20C. So I think it's better for us to just use this other color. Click on color, enable, then click this, click OK. So good. So I'll click on this text, and then I'll copy this, then bring it here. Click on edit, then I'll type this: learn how to sell and make money online, even if you have not sold anything before. learn how to sell and make money online even if you have not sold anything before. So you click on OK. So once you are done, you click on OK. So this is it. You reduce it like this, then you bring it here. So I'll change the color to black. Go to color. So I'll change this to black. Click on black, change it to black. So I'll go to font. So I'll click on this and then go to Metropolis, make this medium. So I'll just highlight stuff here, like highlight sell and make money online. This is it. So I'll make this bold. So after highlighting it, click on Metropolis bold, yeah, then click on OK. So you have this here, right? So good. I'll go to size, and then I'll increase it a little bit like this and click on this. So great, I have this here. So our design is coming up. So great. Next thing I'll do is to click on this icon, click on shape, and then I'll reduce this very well, then click on this good. So I'll zoom this here, zoom this, then I'll reduce it a little bit, reduce it very well, then bring it here, reduce this like this, yeah. So good. So once I'm done, I have this here. So this is it. Click on this and then reduce it a little bit like this. Good. So I'll go to opacity and then I'll reduce the opacity to around 50 like this. Once I'm done reducing the opacity, I'll click on this. So good, I have this here. Click on this, duplicate it, use your position arrow, then bring it down a little bit, then move this. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. So great. Good. The next thing I'll do is to type my text. I'll click on this, copy, then bring it here, click on edit, then change this to intensive guides to make it caps. Click on OK, then go to color, then make this white. Yeah, so you go to spacing, click on spacing, and then you increase the spacing. Yeah, so you go to size, click on this and reduce the size, to around 15, then go to spacing, so increase the spacing very well. Great. Click on this and then move this like this. Yeah, so good. So this is basically alignment. I'll align everything to this particular place. So the last thing I'll do in this my design is to import the money. Click on this, click on from gallery. So this is the money. Click on this, then click select. So this is the money. Click on this, then I'll reduce it. So I'll use this icon to rotate. So reduce it, then bring it here like this. Then I'll just click on this. Let me see, let me increase it a little bit. Yeah, so great. So I'll just copy this, then I'll bring it here like this. So good. Click on this. Yeah, so this is my design, simple and amazing, right? So good. So to save this, let me move this a little bit, rotate this like this. So great, this is my design. So the last thing I'll do here is to add like affiliate marketing too. So I'll click on this, click on shape, click this, click on this ellipse tool. Yeah, so I'll reduce this. I'll click on good. Okay, so I'll bring this here like this, reduce it like this. Click on this your zoom tab to zoom to see what you are doing. Okay, click this, then you change the color to the color of the background. So this is the color of the background. Yeah, so good. So after clicking it, you come to position, click this, and then you move this like this. So great. So after you're done, you click on this text, then you click on copy. So you bring it down, click on edit, then you type 02, click on OK. So you move this like this. Yeah, so I'll reduce the spacing. This is okay like this. Click on this, go to size, click on size, and then increase it a little bit. Sorry. So I think I'll use my position here. So design is a gradual process. So just take your time in making everything nice. So good. Move this like this, click OK. So good. Click on this tool and go back. So basically I have something like this. Click on this. I have something like this. Simple and amazing, right? So good. So to save this your work, click on this icon here, then you save as project, then you give it any name. Let's say design 1, then you click on OK. So good, click on this, and then you click on save as image. Click this, save as image, then you change this to PNG, change this to ultra, then you click on save to gallery. So once it's saved, you have it in your phone. Okay, so good, great. Thanks for following. I'll see you in the next video.